Hello, my name's Chloe. I'm a threat analyst here at Wordfence, and I just wanted to show you how easy it would be to exploit the cross-site scripting vulnerability we found in the Pricing Table by Supsystic plugin. Here we have a site running the vulnerable version of this plugin, and the pricing table is added on the homepage. As you can see, everything's fine. It's just a normal pricing table. Everything functions normally, and when we refresh the page, nothing happens. So over here in Burp Suite, I have an exploit crafted and ready to go. But before I hit send and send the crafted request to compromise our target site, I wanted to point out a few things. This vulnerability can be exploited by any unauthenticated user, meaning the attacker does not need to be logged into the target site in order to exploit this. We can verify that my crafted request is coming from an unauthenticated user by checking that no cookies are present to indicate a current logged-in user session. The other thing I wanted to mention was that our exploit payload is a simple script that alerts users navigating to the site with a line saying, "This is XSS." You'll be able to see this after we have compromised our target site and have reloaded the page for the script to execute. So now we're going to go ahead and send our request. We can see our response was a 200 OK and we have success true. We'll go ahead and go back to our target site, reload the page, where we can see that our script that we injected has been executed. This vulnerability is very easy to exploit and requires no authentication, so it's possible we will see this exploited in the wild.